Hello everyone and welcome. Hope you all are doing well. Today we are making another special recipe, banga soup, an authentic Nigerian soup. There are many recipes for this, but this is one of my favorites. You don't want to miss it. Join me in the kitchen. Let's make it happen. First, mix the banga with hot water so that any sediments will settle at the bottom of the bowl. You want to rinse the can with water to get the remaining banga. Whisk it and keep aside. Add the protein of choice in a pot. I'm using turkey. Season with chicken bouillon, onion, and salt. Cover it and steam without water for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, add some water, cover it, and cook until the protein is fully cooked. Meanwhile, blend okpei, ehuru, scotch bonnet peppers, dry oziza leaves, onion, and ogiri Igbo, and keep aside. Go ahead and thoroughly wash and debone the smoked fish. The turkey meat is cooked, so remove it from the stock and then pour the banga inside the pot. Ensure you don't pour any sediment at the bottom of the bowl, please. Cook for about 8 to 10 minutes. Now go ahead and add the fresh fish, if using any. Add the smoked fish and the blended ingredients. After about 8 minutes, I want you to observe how I am stirring the soup because you don't want to crush all the pieces of fresh fish. Check for salt and seasoning and adjust as needed. Re-add the cooked turkey meat to the soup. How I wish y'all are here with me at this moment to perceive the aroma of this soup or to taste it. Oh my goodness, this is delicious. I greatly appreciate you all for watching up till now. If you haven't subscribed, kindly go ahead and do so and activate the notification bell so you will know when I upload another delicious recipe. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, please. You all are awesome. After about 5 minutes on low heat, add the vegetables of choice. I am using pre-washed bitter leaf and frozen spinach. Add ground crayfish. You can see I added a lot. I love crayfish. Simmer for about 3 to 5 minutes and the soup is ready. This is the final product of our super delicious banga soup. If you try this recipe, let me know how yours turned out, please. I served this soup with oat fufu and potato fufu because my family loves both. So, if you want me to show you how to make potato fufu, leave it as a comment. See you in the next video. Bye for now.